Hi, welcome to my video on find dy dx, and this is video number 3 on finding dy dx. We have a couple of problems to do. Find dy dx for each. Number 1, x cubed plus x times y minus y squared equals 6y. Notice we have 3 y's here, so we have to use implicit differentiation because we cannot solve it for y. So let's do d dx on x cubed, which is 3x squared. And now we have a product of f and g, so we'd use the derivative rule of a product. So the derivative of x is 1 times y plus x times the derivative of y, which is dy dx. And we have the derivative of y squared, which is negative 2y, again dy dx. And just a reminder, every time you do d dx on a y, you'll always get a y dy, you'll always get a dy dx equals derivative of 6y in relation to x is 6, and again you have a dy dx. Notice this time, let's simplify this first. So we have a 3x squared plus y plus x dy dx minus 2y dy dx equals 6 dy dx. Notice we have 3 dy dx's, so we'll have to group them together on the, we group them together on the left side and move the other terms that's not dy dx to the right side. So here we go. X dy dx negative 2y dy dx minus 6 dy dx equals negative 3x squared minus y. Notice we have 3 dy dx's, so we'll factor out the dy dx. And we have an x minus 2y minus 6. And that's negative 3x squared minus y. And we're solving for dy dx. Since this is a product, we'll divide by x minus 2y minus 6. So negative 3x squared minus y all over x minus 2y minus 6. And notice in this one again, we have 3 dy dx's, and the previous videos, first one we had was 1, and the next one was 2 dy dx's, and this one has 3. Again, group them together on the left side and factor it out. Number 2, y times y squared plus 2y minus 3y minus 6x equals 0. First of all, I'm going to multiply by y here. So it's y cubed plus 4y squared minus 3y minus 6x equals 0. So we're doing d dx on the y, so that gives us the derivative here is 3y squared, and it's a dy dx. 4 times 2 is 8y, and again dy dx. Negative 3y derivative is negative 3 dy dx. So again, you do the derivative as if this was an x, which is 3y squared. And every time you do a derivative of y in terms of x, you'll get a dy dx. Derivative of negative 6x is negative 6. Again, it's d dx. We're doing d dx on all these terms. And the derivative of 0 is 0. And we group these together, which they are, so we 3y squared dy dx, they're all together, so just rewriting it. There they are. But the negative 6 moves to the right, becomes 6. And we factor out the dy dx. And that gives us 3y squared plus 8y minus 3. And that's a 6. And we divide by this trinomial. And so it's 6 over 3y squared plus 8y minus 3. So there's a couple of more examples, but again, I went through dy dx, one of them, and then double and a triple. So you have to factor out the dy dx. And this brings us to the end of this video. If you like it, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.